afternoon and welcome to Bali and Seminyak beach. Just walking here next to the beachfront, going out. It's actually quite late, it's like 4 p.m. We were out exploring the nightlife a bit last night, not my typical activity, and everyone was a bit tired, so now we're just going to the beach, chill a bit, but you don't get too burned. Just having a bit of a black coffee here to get some energy. Always feels amazing. We're gonna have some nice seafood, hopefully later if we can find it. But we just had this morning fasting as normally, but then had some eggs and a bit of fruit and just some chicken with rice. Very boring meal, right? But healthy. Saving it for tonight here. Just enjoying the great backgrounds. Just gonna walk around here, actually exploring a bit of the market. Probably walk back to the hotel. It's only like 1 hour walk here. Share a bit of the views in the background with you guys here from the beach and some stores. Relax a little bit, just taking in the last day here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around, so see you a bit later. Actually, first time on the beach properly so far. We passed by the other day, but checked it out. It wasn't really so much for swimming, gonna jump in. But as I mentioned, I didn't eat so much earlier, but I found some fantastic food here in the background. So I think I can have a bit of a chicken here, maybe some tempeh. Really interesting here. Check that out and then get some more energy and go down to the beach. One tempeh is okay, yeah?
Yeah, chicken and the tempeh.
Very healthy, right? Yeah. Fantastic. Let's eat. Very good, yes. Good for you. Great. Ooh, nice. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you. Ooh.
Little bit spice.
Yeah, I love. Fantastic.
My name is Jamie.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Great. Amazing. So we got the serving here of the chicken and tempeh. They deep fried it first, but I said no oil. That's not great for you. Spend a lot of too unhealthy stuff lately. I'm just gonna get some energy in here before meeting up the crew there and on dinner, but wanted to get some more protein here before going to the beach. So see you over there soon. So the sun has set and I'm walking around exploring a bit. It's definitely a bit of a party mode going on here. A lot of music everywhere. But we're gonna walk and have some seafood, I think, after this. But first, just take a look in this neighborhood here, check out some stores, a lot of cool stuff around. People want to explore. It's the last night here. So I'm gonna show you some clips here of all this stuff in the background, see what we can find. Interesting, we found some cool corn here in the background. Let's have one. That is looking very tasty, yes. Mr. Jack corn, number 2. Wow, great. Yeah.
Plain butter, no butter?
No.
Plain butter?
No.
No?
Skipping the butter and saving some calories for dinner instead. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Nice. Cool stuff. Fantastic. So we've got the beautiful piece of corn here. Let's have a bite and try it. That is tasty. Definitely very crunchy. I'm gonna enjoy this and then go and explore a bit, so see you a bit later. Yeah, we're gonna go explore a bit, find some seafood, but I was hungry, so I filled up on some more protein here once again. Boring perhaps, but healthy. It's been a lot of unhealthy food lately, so I'm gonna get some protein in here and then we have a lot of energy to continue walking around. A bit boring perhaps, but definitely tasty. Nice. Always love some great chicken out in the streets. Nice stuff. So after some walking around here, checking out this beautiful background environment next to the water, we found a restaurant here. A lot of live music on in the background. I think we're gonna check out this place, K Resto. Have some fresh seafood, grilled stuff, and just relax a little bit here. It looks pretty interesting, that's for sure. So let's go inside and check it out. Great vibes here going on in the background with some live music, and there is a room where the food is here. And yes, I can see that is looking amazing. We have some shrimp with fried rice and a whole platter of amazing seafood here. Wow, that is looking fantastic. Waiting for 2 more dishes here. We have some wontons as well. It's gonna be amazing. Let's just sit down and enjoy it. A lot of amazing food here. We have some squid rings. Let's try it. Wow. Garlic and grilled flavor, really nice. And we have some super crispy dumplings here, or wontons rather. Let's try it. Super crispy. Have the shrimp inside. Let's have with a bit of a sauce. Super nice. Let's try it. Fantastically crispy, crunchy, and also a bit of a salty. Then we have a bit of a different thing here. We have actually some lamb skewers looking really tasty. Let's have a bite. Just love some nice barbecue here. Quite different flavor than in China. Normally you have like cumin and chili. This one's actually very nice. Taste more lamby than what I'm used to actually. Really nice. Have a bite. Fantastic. Then we have a bit of a crispy shrimp situation going on here. Let's have a bite. Crunchy. Not a huge fan of deep fried stuff, but very nice, very tasty. I definitely prefer more when they're grilled like this. Wow, take a look at it. It's amazing. Let's have a crunchy bite. Wow, that's crunchy and very tasty. Now we have a very tasty piece of fish here. Let's have a bite of this. I think it's some sort of white fish. Let's try it. A bit fatty, but very juicy, grilled, quite plain. Probably nice with some more chili sauce. Finally, we have a bit of a tuna steak here. That is looking fantastic. Medium rare cooked. Let's have a bite of this one. Wow, a bit rude perhaps to use the fingers, but just wanted to show here. Pink inside, amazing. Great. Then to finish it off, we have some fried rice with seafood here. Amazing. Good to have some great carbs for the evening and relax. Amazing, and some pieces of egg and seafood inside here. Fantastic. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, relax, enjoy this last dinner here, enjoy fantastic food. I definitely recommend to come here, try seafood, and I will see you a bit later when I walk out in the streets. Yeah, after that fantastic dinner, as always, it's time to end this trip and day. Some nice live music in the background. Walking here past some of the stores, checking a bit of the background, maybe get some small gifts, browse around, check the beautiful nightlife and surroundings here. Tomorrow morning I'm flying around noon, so it's gonna be very short, maybe just a dip in the pool. Just want to share some final views of Bali and Seminyak with you guys here. So for now it's enter traveling and back to Beijing, but if you want to see more of this kind of stuff in the future, give me a comment, let me know what you want to see. Otherwise, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.